Good evening. Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. And temperatures tonight, a little flip-flop going on. It's warmer way up north near the international border where Roseau and Cavalier are at 7 and 9 degrees respectively, and that's above zero. One above right now in Grand Forks and Fargo. The sub-zero readings down to the south where Fergus Falls 8 below, 4 below Wadena and Bemidji this hour, 3 below zero. But there was some heat going on in Bemidji. We'll take a look at what's going on with our setting sun. Just gorgeous today, and the sun felt so nice. And it's amazing how little sun will really help to dry off those road surfaces. The interstate conditions getting much better, and in-town roads also improving. But watch for those typical icy spots as we're well below freezing. 17 below is what it feels like because we have a very brisk wind. Most of us are seeing that wind from the southwest tonight. Look at the temperature at Moorhead's Airport, 8 below zero. So a lot of variability depending on how much wind you have and snow and all of the above. Here's a look at why things are warmer, though, up to the north. Those clouds, they act as that fuzzy blanket, and they kind of help to hold that heat in. And in fact, they radiate some heat down. A little snow showing up on the radar not far from Winnipeg, slipping to the south and east as well. Down south, where we have clear skies and fresh snow, that's where we're seeing those temperatures drop fairly rapidly in the early overnight. Looking out to the west, where this cold air mass slams into the Rocky Mountains and B, some milder air, we're seeing a few flakes of snow in the eastern plains of Montana and the Black Hills. Nationwide, a little rain in southern parts of California. We're also seeing some in the Mississippi Delta and just exiting the southeast United States. But by and large, our weather stays quiet during the overnight and not as cold. Now, I set this into motion. Focus your eyes on the light snow that was near Winnipeg. That's going to drift south and maybe a chance at 1 or 2 flakes up near Lake of the Woods. But because the clouds linger around, temperatures in northern Minnesota will stay milder than the Red River Valley and points south and east, where we'll see sub-zero readings first thing in the morning. Factor in those winds that will be maintained at 5 to 15 miles per hour, and your wind chills at the bus stop or heading out in the morning, still 20 to 30 below in places. So a chilly start to your Thursday. By midday, sun continues out in our western counties. Clouds persist to the east, and temperatures rise into the teens for almost everyone. Can't rule out a renegade flake way up here by Lake of the Woods. Other than that, it looks fairly dry and quiet for your Thursday, but you better enjoy it. It doesn't stay quiet long. Hour by hour planner on Thursday, 8 below in the morning. Winds southwesterly, 5 to 15 miles per hour. Some sunshine and a temperature of almost 20 degrees in Fargo, Moorhead 15, Grand Forks, a pair of 14s for Valley City and Jamestown, and a lot of teens in western Minnesota as well. A beautiful picture way out in western North Dakota, Watford City. Kayla sending this in. There's your sun. There's the dog that follows. And here's a look at why you want to enjoy the 18 tomorrow. Flakes on Friday, accumulating shovelable flakes that we'll have to worry about there. And then after that, we'll get ourselves a few, I don't know how my technique was, but
it was good.
My technique for Saturday and Sunday is going to include earmuffs or several layers of clothing. Temperatures between 15 and 20 below, wind chills approaching 50 below zero on Sunday morning.
Tomorrow's the best day of the next 6 or 7.
Soak it up.
Yeah,
I mean,
right?
yeah. Don't get too much sun.
Thanks, Fetch.
You're welcome.